Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got another Universal Yums box. It's a big one this time because we upgraded to the Super Yum box.
Yay!
So this time we are trying snacks from, let me cover your face, Amelia.
Japan.
Brazil, not Japan. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing, goodie we have got is, I got my little book.
We got some chips, I think.
No. The first one is Corey Peo de Mil, which is chocolate covered honey bread. That should be yum. Do you know that Brazil is famous for their bread?
Yeah.
These are the little honey cakes.
Yeah. Covered in chocolate.
Please.
Thank you.
Okay.
I have bite. Well, Cheeto.
Alright, ready? That's so good. Yum. Thumbs up. Double? You can't even talk, you still got it all in your mouth. Thumbs up, that was yum. Our next yum is Amory 1000. Now again, I'll get names wrong in this, I always do. And this is a chocolate covered wafer with coconut filling.
I knew it was chocolate. You can tell just by looking at it.
Chocolate.
Oh, I can smell the coconut.
Me too. I can't because, oh yeah, I can smell it a bit.
I can still smell that sweet.
Whoa.
It's coconut.
Coconut.
Alright, you ready? We're gonna try it.
Oh.
Very coconutty.
Yeah.
That's yum. Next one. So much stuff in this box. Here we go. These are Dokigoma yogurt gummies.
Gummies?
Yeah, so they are made out of yogurt.
And gummy bears. What's this
Okay.
thing with a grandma?
Do you want a pink one?
Yeah.
Same with me, please.
You want a pink one?
Yeah, what other colours are there?
Well, there is
Alright,
the pink one. The flavors are strawberry, peach, banana, and coconut. So I'm going to try the peach one. You've got strawberry.
I'll have banana.
You're right, I use you're not getting another one.
How was the strawberry one? Was it good?
Yeah.
That was good.
Double.
Yum. Okay, now we have got Bobitos
No, sit, Mom.
Squill Churrasco, which is barbecue corn puffs.
No, sit, Mom.
It does look like a chipmunk, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Chipmunk!
Okay.
Double. Thumbs up.
These smell like Cheetos. Cheese balls.
Alright,
That tastes good. Can I have another one?
How's that?
Good.
Good?
Good.
We give it a thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
Yum, yum,
Double.
yum. Alright, this next one is Frutabello.
Apple.
No, Frutabello.
Apple.
Frutabello Guayabicas. I did not say that right at all, I know that. This is a guava bar. It is made literally just out of guava and sugar.
What's grabber?
Guava is a
Sugar.
fruit.
Sugar.
Better be good.
Pardon?
I said it better be good.
Or what?
They'll be disgusting.
Alright, you ready? Don't really have a taste.
It's a bit interesting.
I can't taste anything.
It tastes a bit interesting to me.
Taste. Tastes yucky.
I don't think it's bad, it just doesn't really taste like anything. Okay, what do we give that one? I'm gonna give it a sideways because I couldn't really taste anything.
A
It
sideways.
tastes weird to me.
It's a little bit weird, isn't it?
Mm.
Okay, up next we have got Amory Mousse de Limeo, which is wafers with lime mousse.
They look good.
How do I open it?
You just eat it, Amelia.
Tastes like lemon to me.
Oh, it's very citrusy.
Tastes a bit lemony.
Well, limes and lemons are similar. It does taste a bit like lemon, doesn't it? What do you think of those ones? It's pretty yum. Next up, okay, we have got, they're literally called gelatines. Gelatines Besta, so gummies with rainbow sprinkles.
Well, yeah, what?
These smell like bubblegum.
Really?
That one's mine.
That's how they look.
Well, no, it.
Right,
Oh,
you
they
ready?
smell like bubblegum.
Gonna try it?
I can't even eat it.
Oh, that's a bit weird.
Oh. Very chewy.
You like them, Amelia? They taste very much like bubblegum.
I don't like them.
The sprinkles make it feel a bit weird in your mouth with this squishiness and then the hard sprinkles. It's good flavour though. You're giving it a thumbs down, Will?
Sideways.
Well, now I don't really know what it tastes like because it just tasted weird. And
Now these are Fabits Cibola y Salsa. They are onion and parsley potato chips. These sound right up my alley. They don't really have a smell to them.
they look like Smiths. I like that actually.
They taste like
Can I have one more?
they taste like sour cream and onion chips.
I like
Two.
them.
I mean, one. One.
Oh,
Mostly doing
thumbs up.
I'm mostly doing thumbs up in this one.
Okay, now this one we have got Delicitos Pimenta pepper crackers.
No pepper. No,
Is it
no
pepper
pepper.
spicy?
Yep. It's made out of jalapeno peppers.
I'm a hot pepper. Hot pepper. I'm a hot.
Oh, these look interesting.
I'm a hot pepper. Hot pepper. I'm a hot pepper. Hot. Oh! That's spicy.
Good. Good. Does not taste spicy. Does not taste spicy to me.
I can
It's
handle.
just a little bit of spice.
Yeah.
Yeah, not that spicy, but I'm used to it.
Right. I'll give it a thumbs up.
I'm
And
just
that's
gonna
yum.
have some water.
Well, I think that was yum. What do you think?
Yum.
What do you think, Amelia? Yum? Was it a bit hot for you? No?
It was a bit hot for me.
Oh. This one here looks like it's going to be spicy. This is Snacks Pimenta Calabresa, which is Calabrian chili crackers.
Mum.
They like chili.
Mum.
The Calabrian, they're tiny breadsticks covered in a Brazilian pepper, which is the Calabrian chili.
Mum.
Yes.
It kind of looks like dog food.
Okay, you ready? Oh. No, it's not really.
Yeah,
I
they're
can't
not
feel
spicy.
I can't feel no spice.
Yeah, they're
No,
not.
they're not spicy at all.
They look spicy.
They do. They look really spicy. They're actually really yum. Yum. Thumbs up. Okay, next we have got
A chocolate.
Corey
Chocolate.
Palitos Brigadero, which is chocolate covered cookie sticks.
You know what's chocolate?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. That's actually yum.
These are really good. What are we giving that one?
Can I
Thumbs
bring
up.
the next?
Alright, the next one we have
We
is
have Gettarings.
Gelatines Pezzino y Pezzeo, which is feet-shaped sour gummies.
I got a foot. I got a foot.
This is my foot.
This
Alright,
is
you
my
ready?
foot.
Yeah.
I'm eating my foot.
Finally got it out.
Mmm, that are really chewy.
Mom, I'm eating my foot.
Mmm.
That's interesting.
They are so chewy. They're way chewier than our lollies, aren't they? Mm. What are we gonna give those ones? Yeah, the lollies are too chewy for me.
Thumbs up.
Okay, the next one
I'll get
is Deliciositos Calabresa Picante, which is spicy sausage crackers. So it's the
I
same-
thought we already had this.
No, we had the chili one before, not the sausage ones.
Yeah, those taste good.
They're not spicy. Why are these things so they're spicy?
Next up is minty.
Mini Minty Maracuja, which is passion fruit candy. They look like Tic Tacs. It literally tastes like passion fruit.
I can't
I
even.
feel like I cracked my teeth.
These are way better than Tic Tacs. Yum.
Well, they're a bit spicy.
Yum.
I like them.
That was yum.
I'm gonna give that a double. First double.
First double, that was yum. Alright, next we have Pipoca Vivozina, which is sweet puffed corn. So this snack is actually called Pipoca Espor, which means styrofoam popcorn in Portuguese. Oh dearie me.
That sounds gross. Ew.
It's meant to be sweet. Sweet
Know
puffed
it.
corn. You ready? Oh no.
I like that.
You don't like it?
Tastes weird.
It reminds me of something. Oh! It reminds me of those puffed corn cereal. Can't remember what they're called. But it's like literally like little puff bits of wheat or something. It tastes like that. I really like it.
Cheerios?
Thumbs down. No.
Thumbs
You
up.
like it?
Thumbs up.
Did you eat it though? Okay. So far so good. Nothing too terrible. Right, this one here.
Is there another cracker thingy?
Hippopo Doce de Leite Milk Caramel Wafers.
I thought that was hippo.
It says Hippopo. I think that's the brand. See, it's got a hippo on the front.
Yeah.
Oh,
Leave it
maybe
on the
I'll
back.
get that.
Leave
No, I
it
think his name's Corey. It says Corey Hippo.
Mom, see there's another one on the back.
Energy to grow.
What, really? Is that true?
Look, smell.
Ooh, that smells interesting.
Okay, you ready? I like these ones better than the lime ones.
Mom, right here.
No, I'm eating mine. You eat yours.
It just smells weird.
It's just like caramel. Thumbs up for that one. Double for you. One for
Maybe
you.
that's how the tallest man in the world
Okay.
got so tall.
Now we're down to the yum bag. So the first one we have is Frutabello Amendiocus, which is a chewy peanut bar.
Chewy peanut bar, you say?
Yes.
I don't like peanut
Well, you're still going to try it.
butter.
I like peanut.
That looks a bit weird. This shit looks like a chunk of peanut butter. Yeah, we're going to try it.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh.
Oh, yum.
I fucked it.
Well, Lulu's eating it now.
It has it better not have
Your
some.
first thumb down.
Ah. Ah.
Oh, that was yum. What do you think about it, Will?
No, I don't like it. You can have it.
No, I'll eat it. Yum. Thumbs up. The next one we have is
A banana.
Banana com chocolate. Chocolate covered banana bar.
That sounds interesting.
Alright, you ready?
Well, that actually smells good. It doesn't even show the banana. That's just normal chocolate.
That's nice.
That's just normal chocolate.
A little bit bitter. You don't like that?
Oh, I'm starting to get the taste now. Yucky. Terrible.
I'll give it a thumbs up.
My first thumbs down. I think this is my first or second thumbs down.
I think it's your first one. This box has been really tasty.
Yep.
Oh no, you didn't like these ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 2 thumbs downs.
Alright. Next, the last one we have, Fruitobello Coquitos, which is a shredded coconut bar. It's literally like chunks of coconut stuck together. I like that. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Half. You like that one, Amelia? That's all from our Yum box.
Oh, best Yum box I've ever had.
That is the best one we've had. It's really good. Alright, let's do our voting. What was your best one? So many to choose from. They're all really... I think the honey covered chocolate things, I think they were my favourite one. What was your favourite? The yogurt ones. Okay, so Amelia's is the yogurt gummies. Wait. Alright, so Will's is the chocolate covered cookie stick. So what was our worst ones? I think the worst one for me was this
Yeah, same with
puffed
me.
corn thing. Okay, Will, what was your worst one?
The granny puff thingies, I'm pretty sure.
Will's worst was the granny puff thing. Amelia, which was your worst one? Yours was that banana one, wasn't it? Oh, you didn't like the banana one?
No.
Amelia. Okay guys, so that's it from our Universal Yums box for Brazil. I think this was our best box yet. It had like the best stuff in it.
Yeah.
Didn't it?
I agree.
Yeah? It was really yummy. Okay, so thank you for watching, and hopefully we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.